Authority local forecast.
All right, a beautiful yet nippy evening out and about here in the desert Southwest. Yours truly had even put a jacket on just going outside. So when the weather guy does it, you know that there's something afoot with that. All right, here's a look at your RV World Yuma Sky Cam, giving you a glimpse of 4th Avenue and 16th Street on this nippy night once again. And as far as your satellite radar is concerned, well, we're not too concerned as far as the sky conditions are going. You can see we do have a very, very light wisp of some cirrus clouds kind of rolling through, and that's about it. So no inclement weather by any stretch. And as you can see right now, temperatures definitely on the nippy side. We're talking mid-40s in some instances in the Imperial Valley. We go to the Gila Valley side of things, and you can see that we're in a similar boat as well. If anything, just the high-end 40s to the low-end 50s at this specific time. So the dynamic in play has everything to do with this latest and greatest low pressure feature that continues to roll through into the Intermountain West. It's generated some snow in the higher elevated areas. Nothing like that here, obviously, but certainly getting a cool shot of air from that. And you can see the dynamic continues to stay entrenched. So this weather pattern, as you will, of the winter variety continues to, I wouldn't say stick it to us, but certainly give us the gift of feeling very holiday-like, at least right now, as far as the colder conditions are concerned in our area. So it may let up a little bit, but again, it'll be minimal, but we will eventually raise those temperatures up. Your Metrocast, 48 degrees by 8 in the morning come Friday, and then, yes, we'll kick up the winds as we get on into the afternoon, and of course, we'll get those temperatures back down as we get on into the evening time. Here's our merry and bright picture from the Lowry family out in the foothills. Well-decorated front yard, so we thank you for sending your picture our way. Your air quality index presented by the Imperial County Air Pollution Control District. For the most part, we're all good as far as the air quality is concerned. And for your extended forecast, you can see that we are going to be looking pretty good for the Tamale Festival, but we are going to bring the winds, and then we'll keep it cool, but keep in mind we're going to have a gradual raise in the temperatures. And of course, beyond the fact, we could even get a chance of rain, believe it or not, shortly before Christmas.